Papa, Texas. This is Dustin up here at Tennessee Grilling and Smoking, and I have got authentic Braunschweiger or liverwurst, whichever one you want to say. Yeah, it feels different. Let's give this a shot. Alright. I'm going to do this just like you did it. I ain't going to do anything different. Got some bread here. We're going to throw it in the toaster. We'll set it right in there. Ain't that nice? Let's get this bread toasted up. We throw that away. Spin and tuck. Alright. We got our toast. We're going to cut us off a nice healthy piece of Braunschweiger. I feel like I gotta say it like that. Braunschweiger. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, now he just didn't add nothing else to it. You just spread it across your bread. I don't know about this one, guys. I don't know about this one. Piece on there. We're gonna squish her in, and first taste of Braunschweiger, first taste of liverwurst. Here we go. No, I don't know. Papa, Texas. Goats are excited too. My gosh. That's good. I can understand how that could be your favorite childhood sandwich. That is good. Real good. I was expecting, with that consistency, I was expecting, I don't know, potted meat. I like potted meat or Spam or somewhere in between that taste or bologna. I don't know. I can't taste. I've never tasted nothing like it. I can't compare it to nothing other than dang, it's good. I don't know. Great idea, man. That right there. That's good. That's real good. I hate to eat the whole thing in front of the camera, but shit fire, boys. Papa Texas knows what he's talking about. Look at that. Like I said, that consistency. I don't know. The way it just spread on there. Well, buddy, you have just turned me on to some Braunschweiger. I think this is going to be a every now and then purchase from the store. Now, look at that. Liverwurst. It's great, man. Thank you for sharing that video. Otherwise, I'd have never, ever tried this. I would have passed this up at the store. Heck, I've never even looked at it. I've never even saw it at the store. I had to call my wife and ask her. Who sells Braunschweiger? She's like, what is that? Liverwurst. She went, why you want liverwurst? I said, because Papa Texas wants me to. That's why. Don't question Papa Texas. That right there, boys. That's nice. Papa Texas, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video, bub. Might make me another one. Have a great day.